Now we will solve subtraction example from the Vedic mathematics. Here see, here is a special case. The number from which we are subtracting, it is like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, in that way. If this situation is there, very easily we can subtract our given number. So for that, there is one rule I want to write firstly here, that is what? Last from 10, rest from 9. This is the rule. It means what? The last digit you should subtract from 10 and rest of all digits you should subtract from 9 to write your answer. It is last from 10, rest from 9. So let us start. This 5 is in the last, so I want to subtract from 10, and rest of all 3, 9, 3, 2 I want to subtract from 9. So 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 9, 0, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 2, 7. This is my answer. Yeah, here for 1 I am writing nothing, because only below the digits below the 0 we are subtracting from 9. Okay, this example again we are solving, so understanding would be more easy. Last digit from 10, 10 minus 5, 5. Now all rest of from 9, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 9, 0, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 2, 7. This is our answer. Okay, one more example here we have planned, that is what? Here is a big number and we are subtracting 4359 from it. Okay, let it be, no problem. So only one thing what to do, here is nothing, so but just you should suppose here is 0. Here is 0, that is only. Okay, now last from 10, rest of from 9. Okay, 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. That's it. This is answer. Okay, in that way we can solve the example if the number, first number is like 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and so on. But suppose such like numbers is not there, there is normal number, both are the normal number, then in this situation what to do? Here is also very simple method that I am going to tell you just now. Suppose our example is 7,25,372. This is our first number, 7,25,372 minus 3,16,725. Okay, here also in the subtraction we will start to solve from the left to right. Our traditional method is what? From right to left, but we will start from left to right. Only one trick we should keep in mind, and then everything is easy. Okay, so firstly start subtraction. 7 minus 3, 4. Now here 2 minus 1, 1 I want to write, but I am just only observing the right side pair. If here this 6 is bigger than 5, means 6 cannot be subtracted from 5. So here I directly not taking 2 minus 1, 0. Here apart from 2, here one more 1 I am taking. So 2 minus 2, 0 I am taking. Again I am going to proceed back again properly, so you will understand more. Here before writing 7 minus 3, 4, I should just see can easily I can subtract this digit from this. If yes, then directly write 7 minus 3, 4. Here again my question, before writing 2 minus 1, 1, can I subtract 5 minus 6? No. Then here apart from 2, just apart from 1, just subtract 2 from this 2. 2 minus 2, 0. And now it is not 5, just only it is 15. 15 minus 6, I want to write here 9. But before that I just observed this, I cannot subtract 7 from 3. So here I don't want to write 15 minus 6, 9. Apart from 9, I want to write 10. So it is now here 13 minus 7. I can write 6 here because I can subtract 2 from 7. 13 minus 7, 6. Here 7 minus 2, 5 I was wanting to write. But for this case, I don't want to write 5, I want to write 4, and now 12 minus 5 is 7. Again, to understand this example, so you will understand more clearly and very fastly you can do after practice. Okay, here from left to right, just as like normal method, we should subtract downside digit from upside digit. But only here 7 minus 3, 4 directly I can write. But only what should I do before writing answer? Let us observe this. And if downsides from upside digit you cannot subtract downside digit, in this condition, if this like condition is there, then just only it is 7 minus 3, 4 don't write, less it by 1. So apart from 4 write 3, like that only. Here directly I am writing 7 minus 3, 4, means I am not lessing 4 by 1 because I know this subtraction is possible. Okay, now before trying this subtraction 2 minus 1, 1, I am just seeing this subtraction is not possible. So this is 2 minus 1 not, 2 minus 2, 0 I want to write. Now it is not just only 5, it is 15. Okay, 15 minus 6, 9 I want to write, but again I know this subtraction is not possible. So 9 I don't want to write. Apart from 9, 9 minus 1, 8 I want to write. And here now 13 minus 7, 6 I want to write directly because here operation is possible. 7 minus 2, 5 I was wanting to write, but this operation is not possible. So apart from 5, 4 I want to write. 5 minus 1, 4. And then now it is 12 minus 5, 7 is there. This is the answer. One more example we will take. So again our understanding would be little bit more clear. Now here example is 253 943, and next example is next 81357. Now here upside first number is 6 digit, second number is 5 digit. Let it be, no problem. Add one more 0 for our understanding. Okay, now we are subtracting. Okay, the same operation here. Before subtraction means before doing 2 minus 0, I am just looking, can I subtract 8 from 5? No. So here apart from 0 I am subtracting 1 from this 2. 2 minus 1, 1 itself. Now it is not just only 5, this one is here, so it is becoming 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8, 7 I want to write, and I can write because I just seen this much. 3 minus 1 I can do. So here 15 minus 8, 7 I want to write here. Now 3 minus 1, 2 I want to write because I am directly writing only 2 because I seen this pair. I can do 9 minus 3. So I have written only 9 minus 1, 3. 9 minus 1, 2. Now here before writing 9 minus 3, 6, I am just seeing this much. This operation is not possible. 4 minus 5. So 9 minus 3, 6 I am not writing. Apart from 6, I want to write 5. Now it is 1, 4, 14 minus 5. 9 I was wanting to write, but I just seen this much. So apart from 9, I want to write 8. And now it is 13 minus 7 is 6. This is our answer. In that way, we can solve the subtraction example. Thank you. Yes.